Alright, super exciting day. Today I'm going to be unboxing the SiFly Model E. It's the biggest efoil in the market, 170 liters. It's just huge, 1 meter and 90 centimeters long. So amazing for like families, and if you just want to have a blast with your friends, or even like go fishing or something where you want like more volume. So yeah, so let's go straight to the unboxing. By the way, happy Easter everyone. It's Easter Sunday here in Denmark. And so let's just start unboxing the board first, then move to the mast and accessories and the battery lastly. Hey guys, this is Oliver from Vikings Efoils DK. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the SiFly Model E. SiFly, they say, is the easiest way to start flying, and they really focus on making like high quality boards but at a good price, and that is easy to learn. So when you buy a Model E, you receive 3 boxes. So here is the board itself, very large, 170 liters board, biggest of the market. Then you get this box here, which has the mast and the motor and all the accessories. And then a smaller box, heavy box, this is the battery, more than 2 kilowatt-hour battery, very large, so you'll get a good range on your board. So I just spent a little bit of time unpacking like all the boxes. This is all the parts unboxed. It's important to know that if you're planning to fly or transport this battery, it's good to keep the cardboard box with the battery label on it. but the other two, yeah, you can just throw that out as the bags are well protected. So as you can see, it's very nice quality materials here, very sturdy. The zippers, they're sealed against the weather, and we have zippers from both sides with a hole here in the middle, like a Velcro, so that you can actually have your board with a mast and still be protected. It has this kind of inner kind of foam material holding it and protecting all the sides. And then we have the board itself here, Model E, in a watermelon red color. And then we have the battery here, SiFly battery, also with a nice case. And this is how the battery looks like. So it is like a hard plastic with everything like waterproof. A little hole here for the magnet to activate the battery, and an LED that shows you the status. And this battery is absolutely huge. It's a 2.3 kilowatt hours. I should be able to get around 20 to 30 kilometers range. Lastly, we have the mass bag, and it has this kind of nice shape. Same exact build as the other bag. We have our massive beginner wing here in carbon fiber. Then we have the mast. I picked the tallest one, 75 centimeters. And we have our kind of support wing from the back. And inside we have another little box, or actually two boxes. One of them contains a manual, the wireless charger for the remote itself, got a yellow one here, a little bit of information, what screw sizes for every different part, plus like a cable to charge, and it's USB-C on both ends, Tef gel, all the screws you will need, a few trims for the back wing, dielectric grease for the electronic components. Lastly, this little bag, pretty sure this is the charger for the board. One thing I really like about SiFly, their charger is a custom made for SiFly. This is the smallest charger I've seen in the efoil world. High quality, has like a lot of safety mechanisms. Still very fast, should charge in around 2 hours and a half, I believe. And it charges very fast. You also get a manual for the charger here. So yeah, so that was the unboxing of everything that comes when you buy a Model E or any of the other SiFly models. Let me know if you have any questions about it, and I'll see you on the next video. Here we have the board unpacked. Looks like this. SiFly logo has like a nice padding here. Handle looks great. Has these standard mechanisms here to open. A few warnings on the wall here. Red seal. Locking mechanism here to lock the battery into place. And the cable that connects to the battery, which just looks like 4 connectors. Here we have the remote. It came completely uncharged, 0%. Has a very nice wireless charger here. When you put it to charge, it vibrates, so that you know that's connected successfully. Time of the truth, let's connect the big battery and see whether there's any juice. Here we have the mast. This is how it looks, kind of a brushed aluminum with this rubber seal, 3 cables, 2 for the battery, 1 for the controller. Here we have the propeller and the end. SiFly, they made this kind of design that reduces drag but still protects the user, so that's really good. Their motor is in line with the main blade, so it gives very good performance. So let's just put it here. Now if we look at the box, it actually tells you what screws to use. Put some Tef gel in the screw before you connect it. Let's do some Teflon gel. is connected, battery connected, XF. And see, now I can X then F. Yeah, see? Yes. So it works, it's alive. And yeah, see here, this is the gear. See, press X, F, and then you can choose the gear you want. Yeah, so you can go the whole way to 20. But that would be a bit insane. Yeah, okay. Alright, so that's good. Now we know the percentage of the battery. So I would say, I guess what I can.
We still need the remote to charge as well.
Yeah. So this has to charge. I also have the other remote that needs to charge, and we need to charge this battery. So the best would be, what do you want? Like, do you remember how to assemble the other board? So maybe you can assemble it while I put this one to charge.
I could try.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same setup as we did just now. So. Oh, that's such a fail. So I put the battery to charge here, but unfortunately they closed it. So my battery is inside of the shop. Yeah, too bad. So I don't know what to do now. Spent 6 hours making an unboxing video, checking it out, setting everything up. Put the battery to charge at a cafe. Then when we're all ready to go, I go to the cafe to pick up the battery, and it had closed 30 minutes ago. So now we're going powerless. We're gonna try some towing.
First impressions about the new efoil?
Incredible. Especially the missing battery was the best part.
Damn, you can't find that in any efoil out there.
I really like how buoyant it is. I mean, it's exactly what I wanted, to be honest. Like this here, I mean, I could go out in a day where there's big ass waves in the sea, and I would feel a little bit more like I'm on a boat on top of the water, right?
Yeah.
With this, I feel like I'm just in the water,
Yeah.
smashed by all the waves.
Yeah.